Abusuafo I'm a mamo akwaba edeba Xposed so onua be ma limo elikem kwame amega na matwen aben no na enkomo a ye bebedidi eye efa Agradaa nsensen ho mamu nim se ebra bi etwemu Agradaa sama all say wotwa nkofo apo embra na wo ye konfo ema nkofo start Emma omo criticizing na sorry no obebo ye krono ni ade Emma ebre bi Agradaa be gina online ana simpie so o ni TV so ka say I obi aba na sorry a onfa say bro obema dey say when tumi amano no then people started getting angry Emma nkofo na ebon wo modern etumi call police station e call report Agradaa Ghana for police for so bon modern e ko chi Agradaa so won be yi na ano ene ye dey asem no court dey ne call no e na court remanding no ye yi ni field of next court ni asade na kotum because obi so ye the next report e dey tia Agradaa e man ne sakoda another remand we ene man ko focus se ne dey na fam no e be man na so aye na aduan de fie pan wo mu se emra e wo Ghana de bia nkofo e ka se wo hu nchire we ya ana wo ton so hwemu ya ana wo to asemu ya wa tun ya wo se emra na wo Ghana no enchichire wo emra na chichire pa but the implementation and the enforcement of it no and I need that much it ya na wa tun ya wo se o emra bia emra na no odwo emra na no nya dinsa emra e wo Ghana na we make a cho no dent na make a cho ye chi Agradaa we ye mo tun say it is been very long apart from Agradaa obeba beka say obeka bibi say Merry New Year to you all. Emma for criticizing on Bamba Yasofobi, on Mamba Case Obama Swala Merese because now she is careful because she has no say. She has become a victim of the law, and the law has been proven right in front of her. It was very, very careful. But then they took a Bermana, yet the Mabbe 14 times for the other two on the say. Agradaa na video bi nanti wo de wo hwe video ya ehwemu a etwegu ya Agradaa na arresting ni wo de tie video yi for waso ne tie me pese wo tie de all ka no she looks like obi a ya che no ya arresting ya arresting Agradaa right now she has been arrested and I say obi asako lay case against her and yes all ka say ye de mako court dada asem no court dada e den biom looking like they want to arrest her and pese ye de court we den esa body biom one kasa tie nsem na Agradaa e den e kan
No, we actually know what is happening. No. You can do whatever you like. And this is something made.
Because I'm here case, you know. Maybe the case, you know, I'm a court. Yes, I'm following you. I am not going anywhere. Let me say, because this is a court, I'm a court. When I case, you know, somebody are violent to case national. The case that one court, I have to watch and arrest and arrest those my maybe I'm okay. So don't want to catch up. Appear case na me kai. Appear case no. I me kai so mo be sha be case no court. Ama ya ba me to asha that and me ba court no yes appear case. Yes arrest. I am talking to them. We are talking to them.
for I uhwe ensem na ekoso ya I to say like Agradaa aye bi pen wa ye bi pen we bonkofo post and nkofo claiming. But you see, it is becoming a different angle and a different channel now for Agradaa. And it does not go with Agradaa alone. Hwe obi beka say ai ye bo abo Agradaa echi dodo. But ene me bo Agradaa echi adenti na me bo Agradaa echi. As a Ghana for pesa too much. Ghana for pesa dodo. Adenti na me ka say emira Agradaa ye bosom ana oye konfoba no. Na obo Ghana for po Agradaa wian kofu sika. Beji loto number ukoda. Na die bia dro se wa bonkofo po ama me gina Xposed die aka say me ma me cry has been a victim with this lotto. And kofo di sika kwa brother for sika ne mom. E ho no cases ni no ma ye leg against Agradaa nyina. Ye tumi amfo na ko gina court obi tumi anko ni simpie so anko che ne da. For the first say na oyo konfo ba. Was there some say Rebecca say was there a fear and was there a scare? Say ye won say ne be ye nana. But Agradaa assistant ye o si wa be ye sofo maami o kan say fasika bedi say no. Enu de nkofo to me won say wa be ye sofo maami de to me bi ani ni nsem ana. Enu tin nkofo ko police station ko reporting no. Ye ko reporting na yes. Enu de na Ghana for tai kire say emra ni ndi. Emra so ni Agradaa die yi. Emani ko dem mani hu say emra wo man ni. Fine. Is it becoming a norm? Because that no abrantia na wotena ya papa na 2 Kennedy Japan station so na 2 so na wo kasa kwekwa nansi or whatever near friend no o kasa wo YouTube go asofo nsem ne nkofo nsem obekasa yesa bokku edu obi di tie Agradaa achi a so court. The question is aden na yesa adentina so obi confessi law no for ade bi a waye pe na yemu say ye de ne wo ayi kwan na say bibia obi apebia because wako police station danti na obi asori a na ode a na afufra na asema fa no so e na because ye tumenya kwan ya chi ne penti ya chi ne danti na I to say it is easy to arrest that person, it is easy to humiliate that person, it is easy to stress that person with arrest and arrest. Baby Sam said na make say one time na me tie me share me na social media na ya pick part bia kwa okese e make complain ebre bi kwa kwesi ti baby mantwe bi na wonu wi obi be se entampi bi kwa okese etwe entampi e na police for ekochi no for that time na wo chi no kra no e ma kwa okese pie kra ma be kas e wo mu se me ko prison so me ko prison me ko se na prison for life tie na enya kra e ma no kra be sin ko ye donations e di ma prison for but kwa okese ba abonten ye wo man we mu eni ehu se pokan aba Ghana akwati e friend say Chris Brown aba Ghana. All these people were holding weed in front of security personnel. Pop can cry the uncofone police for count, they couldn't arrest him. And Kwaukesia ba out Abeka say, hey, is it because I am a Ghanaian? I was arrested for a crime somebody is committing in front of our personal and our own security personnel. But they weren't arrested. Obema this criticism way, nothing was no statement was made outside to tarnish whatever he's saying. Just so I can't credit. Now the actual should say because Kwaukesia has been a victim for winity. Or sit down when I'm quite so every is the go quite so wako show be an MC wako program be a warper. Now police now stopping them. Just because the police notice a celebrity Kwaukesia. What did the celebrity did? The policeman did. Policeman said, get down and let me search if you have weed in your car. One case, get down and let me do a search in your car. No case, oh, you can continue. Police need bien and no beside and say, get down and let me search if you have a weed in your car. So because he has been seen holding a weed before niti. It has been such and say ana be ade momentum dan ho ana ahyede dan ho se kwa kwesi nam de a ene wi won ho. Adenti na Ghana for ye say. Adenti na ye ti o man we mu na ye sa. It's a baby 2000, 2006, 2009, 2010 to 2014 more. For him being a celebrity, when was the last time Sam Breno, ye chick Kwakesi, I didn't know. I did. Let me search if you have a weed, or let me do a search around you. The moment police will grab him, so a celebrity, they just let him pass by. Because police name will say, ya chin identity. So now, the neighbors are making news. At the end, yes, sir. Why do we disrespect people who has, let's say, become ex-convict or has had issue with the law? Now, yedi asamoba yedi suamo sa. Me rain feel bulldog. Ever since a bulldog, enya issue with Frank Autry asem, ne yedi onya issues about police ne court ne ade. Se bibia oye bia na court afre no, yesi won bra won be yi na no. Because why becoming the face of it say or no do ye criticism bia e was say ni ko gina court. Isu yo nkofo mu di bone, nkofo mu ye bad criticism e wo ma we mu. But because o mo asem ne ba, ye fa nko court ntimi twa o masum bebre ni nti. Asem ne ba no mo kan, going to arrest them becomes a problem. It's your mind a woman. I say we ye bibi na kwan back down ho pe. Ni a found ni a 20 na so. No bia dwon where you kwan. It will be better to na TV so simple so radio so akasa. No aka sema for man benyi ho. No aka na adwen no aye dia ope. But because obi dia wa ye waka na ya chi ni penti. You understand? I was so kasa ye mani ku yi na no court. So the law is being known to certain people, and the law is not working on certain people. And yet, I'm running here, Juma on Kofobiso, and said, yet, Juma on Kofobiso. I dang yes, our my way. Agradaa, I dang. Why you Ghana 14? So, you people want to tell me, say, Agradaa, in some of our film in Sofia, what film will all caught on. At least, we are Zan poor. Obema na Zan day, you say, sir. No, be some funny because we son on ya deep be said in Bekujina police station. I didn't Ghana for yes, sir. I then I yes say. It goes with individuals of us, I owe a fee. Say, oh, a particular area. I want enough for the past time be. Na ebia wunya police case made a particular police station. The next moment will be sako report will be on only opinion issue. Near report to open, near two dimpe. Then the police people at that place. Judges say, "Sana otie," without knowing, say, maybe you were right or you were wrong. Yet we are quite say it is easy or we have access to arrest you. At then it is at then and it is our woman Ghana. At then because a baby do ya Captain Smart cannot drink and the children and penny for all money. Ya chini first one, ye giant. Say, or can't send ya because ya chin identity, ya china, ye need the bay, you would the back of vanity, near Riani, say giant. Because a channel, easy to arrest him just to cause some tension be for a particular time in the community and in the country. I didn't say, oh, Ghana, I didn't hear. I'm glad they are saying, Yamama to twin some more. We are stressing the woman. We should not behave as yeah, that's all she and answer. So, but dear, no, but poor, she will not do it publicly or whatever. Say a point will be first with him, rather be she will never do it. She had open on him the film at a particular time. Your bony page here, yen susumbo, and poor nipa or bo okumo nipa grand bin. But the prison and they will know him. I'm telling you, Onipa, I will announce one. The first say ye and chill and say people innocent politically, spiritually, about sophusium, teaching, police and emblem, soldier, a deep bonnet. But something is just covering them because people be here, there is no evidence. And no more be victim, ye teach you at day. It was your for aha. ɛna mede wo besi me a mede dwumedi ebro mede ne limo elikem kwame ameka wo betumi a share o comment ɛne wa dwenkyerɛ ɛwɔ video yi ase na me ka kyerɛ sɛ share na obi so sanye de enkebi ɛne na wo bɛhwɛ me so a subscribe aha na mede wo besi da sende e besi share akram bye bye